Welcome to ROAMTG. Today we have all these boosters, including the Oko Planeswalker deck. Let's start off with our first booster of Magic the Gathering. Paladin, bunch of commons. Fortune of the Wilds, Righteousness, Resoil Rider, and Fires of Invention.
You know that card goes for like $6-7.
Good. Second booster. Out of a lot.
You're on a good start, bud. Can't complain.
Yep. Spectre Shriek, Clockwood Servant, Red the Grin, Piper of the Swarm.
It's 2 Pipers, my friend.
If you didn't know, we're opening the gift edition of Throne of Alkaline.
Thorn Eldraine.
Aldrin, whatever.
Yep.
Okay, third booster of Throne of Alkaline.
Eldraine.
Aldrin. Okay.
It's all good.
Also, go to Bizcitmtg.
Bizcitmtg. And don't forget to subscribe as well.
Yep, post notification button. So you know whenever we have a video, you can tune in.
And like these videos as well.
Yeah.
We do this as a family,
Yeah.
and we play Magic as a family and friends.
Yeah. Deafening Silence. Elite Headhunter.
Actually, that's $1.
What?
That white one. The Silence. That one. That's worth $1.
Nice.
Good hit. What'd you get for the rare? That's nice, actually.
Made. Oh, we got a foil.
What's the foil?
It's a foil uncommon.
Yep, that's
Cauldron's gift.
He got the maid, which is worth about a few dollars. Not a bad hit at all.
Yeah, Mirror Maid.
Yep, that's why I said it's worth.
So far, we got a couple rares. We at least have a foil now. We're going to our third.
Two decent and one cabbage.
Okay. Now.
Piper of the Swarm is kind of cabbage. The one that comes in the box, it's a little bit better, I think. But
we can pull off something great.
Hopefully.
We're bound to, since we have tons of boosters, but
one at a time, brother. One at a time.
You never know.
There's really no
good commons.
There's only one good common, and that's that blue land.
All that glitters?
That's actually worth about $1 or $2. That's actually going to be a very, very big hit.
Widmore Commander.
Oh yeah, that's going to be...
Trail of Crumbs. And Dance of Manus. Not bad.
Not bad.
And we have a foil, common. Gotta keep your foils. You never know. Fifth one.